To restore your Trust Wallet PIN, follow these steps. First, open the Trust Wallet app on your device and tap on the settings icon, usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or a gear symbol. In the settings menu, look for the security section and select it. Now, find the PIN reset option. This may be under advanced security settings. Tap on reset PIN and confirm that you want to proceed. You will be asked to enter your wallet password to verify your identity. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, you may also be asked to provide the authentication code sent to your registered email or phone number. After verifying your identity, you will be prompted to create a new PIN. Choose a strong and unique PIN, avoiding easily guessable numbers such as your birthdate or anniversary. Enter your new PIN and confirm it by re-entering the same sequence. Make sure to store your new PIN in a safe and secure location, such as a password manager or a locked note. Avoid sharing your PIN with anyone, as this could compromise the security of your wallet. It is also important to note that if you have enabled wallet backup, you may need to restore your wallet using the backup phrase after resetting your PIN. This will ensure that you can access your funds and account information. In addition, always keep your wallet software up to date, as updates often include security patches and improvements. Be cautious when interacting with links or messages related to your wallet, as phishing attempts can be common. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully restore your Trust Wallet PIN and maintain the security of your account. Remember to always prioritize security and take necessary precautions to protect your wallet and its contents.